how do you make sure that you keep that passion for learning or passion for the curiosity within, your organization? How do you make sure that that's there?
That's a great point, because if you're deliberate about it, you can foster it in others. I talk a lot about technology within my own organization, encourage others to go to trade shows. I'm passing around podcasts. I'm a big sender of articles and things that, what I tend to do, which actually helps me metabolize information, is summarize it before I send the article through. Yes. So on top of it, I'll put a little summary with kind of teasers to hopefully to get the person or people I'm sending it to get into it and read it. One of the things I did when I got to Endries, which was the end of last year, was we started talking a lot about social media, especially LinkedIn, which I'm a big fan of, and I publish a lot of stuff on LinkedIn, and I encourage the whole team to engage with LinkedIn and to think of it differently than most of them thought of it. Think of it as this source of enlightenment is too lofty a word, but a place to go get knowledge, a place to self-develop, and through that, get exposed to other things that I'm getting exposed to, things that I'm helping expose others to. So the short answer is just to create an environment where people give it the chance, because I do think once you kind of get the habit, it's crazy addictive. Yeah. My problem now is
to get out.
It's a rabbit hole. Yeah. And if I'm not mindful, I will spend more time than I should in a given day. Yeah. In indulging in a hobby that I enjoy, but isn't necessarily leading to outcomes in my work life or my personal life. It's frankly, a lot of what I do day to day, I feel kind of guilty. It's a guilty pleasure. Yeah. Keeping up with this. So,
if you like Mind Innovation, don't forget to subscribe, rate, and share the show wherever you get your podcast. You can follow Sannah Vinding and Mind Innovation on Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube. And make sure to check out mindinnovation.com. Stay curious and keep learning. See you next time.